Hey guys, Sarah here, and today I just wanted to show you how to make this sort of super quick effect in Adobe Illustrator using just basic shapes and one very simple key on your keyboard. And yeah, I thought I should maybe just do this. I use this technique in my most recent abstract poster, and I realized it was a speed design, so it was probably just honestly way too fast for anyone to see what the hell I actually did in it. So I'm going to just move this over here. Actually, I'll just maybe delete that. And I will show you exactly how I did that. I'm just going to go back to default colors here. And so for that specific one, all I did was grab the line segment tool. And then I actually press the tilde key on my keyboard. That's at the top left of your keyboard. You just hold it down, and any shape you pick just sort of duplicates itself like that. Now, I know a lot of people already know this, but also, there's some designers that don't. This is not something that I knew right away. It's not something I learned in school. And honestly, you can create some really, really cool looking textures. And obviously, that's not the one I had before. What did I have before? I think I had it. So hold down tilde, and then there we go. Sort of like a little wavy fan effect going on there. That's pretty cool. And then you can play with the stroke here. Give it, 0.25 is maybe a bit small, maybe 0.5. 0.5 is good, and you can give it a color. And yeah, it just it's like a really, really cool effect that you can put in the background of things if you want to give anything a bit more texture. I quite like it. I'm probably going to use it a bit more often in my poster designs, mostly because I forgot it existed for a really long time. So I'm going to delete that, and I'll show you. You can do this with basically anything, as in any basic shape. And so I'm press tilde again, and I'm using the arc tool, and I mean, that's super fancy, right? That's so cool. I love this tool. I don't know what I made, but that's really cool. I love that. Oh my goodness. Okay. So what else can we use? I think we can use a spiral tool, but okay, well that's actually even cooler. That might be the coolest thing I've ever done. Well then, let's just group that and make it smaller. That's a very cool tiny seashell. And I did that so quickly. And that is awesome. What else have we got? So we did the line, the arc, the spiral. I'm sure you can do it with the rectangular grid tool as well. Oh, look, you can. And things just got really complicated there, but you see how it kind of works with any basic tool you can use. The star tool obviously will give you that awesomeness. I mean, I don't know what you want to call that, but that's just awesome, right? That's actually a really cool background texture. And then you could make the stroke a bit thicker. We can do maybe one. I obviously don't have any fill on here, so I can add a fill of, I don't know, maybe pink. And well, then you have obviously the front face, or the front is working with the rest are just sort of a bit more layered. It's like pages, or actually it kind of looks like a star-shaped post-it note. Maybe I'll make it yellow. Perfect. Or you could just get rid of the fill altogether, and then obviously have your fancy pattern here. So yeah, I thought that was a cool thing to just kind of come on and show you guys, because it is a very cool thing just to even play around with, because honestly, it's really fun. Oh, overlay's a bit weird here. Maybe multiply. That is cool. Wow. Okay, so use the tool, then play with the blend or the transparency effects in here, and makes a whole bunch of really cool stuff. Honestly, this is very cool. So yeah, go experiment with this tool with the key. This key is just the tilde key. And then experiment with all the different shapes, the polygon tool. Look at that. Amazing. What have I done? Amazing. See, that's awesome. Okay, what else have we got? Honestly, that's the basic shapes you can do, but I mean, there's so many really cool things you can do, especially with that spiral tool. But just taking where are we? Where's my line tool? I forget where my line tool is. How have I forgotten where my line tool is? Line. Did it disappear? No, it's right there. Okay. Yeah, anyway. So going back, just make a little fan. You could probably do like a butterfly or something. Adorable butterfly. Ooh, I did not do well on this butterfly. Yeah, that's a butterfly. Look, everyone, I've created a butterfly. Isn't it glamorous? Let's kill it immediately. Okay. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Just nice and quick, and something that you can add to, most likely something you would add in the background of like an abstract poster for Photoshop, but also something you can use for just kind of cool patterns in general, and you can get some very, very cool effects. And yeah, play around with it. Maybe you could do I don't know, you could bring it into to Photoshop like I did with my most recent video, and then just play around with the liquify tool, see what you can get there. You can apply gradients to this whole thing. Not as easily in Illustrator, because I don't think it will let you quite do that. If I expand the stroke, what did that say? Well, let me apply a gradient to the stroke. Oh yeah, there we go. That's even cooler. So yeah, lots of options. You could make, you could fan the edges so they disappear, and then you've just got the inside having the main color. And yeah, so lots of options for you for a variety of graphic reasons and digital art purposes and whatnot. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial of using the tilde key. And let me know if there's anything else you guys want to know about in Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, any of the Affinity programs. What else is there? What else exists? I need to learn more programs. Maybe Blender. Maybe Blender next. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.